Hi friends, now I'm going to discuss about the concept of pivot table. Pivot table is nothing but it is used for summarizing the data. Here we have a sales table that includes the fields of product category, region, country, city, and the revenue generated by sales and the total amount generated by these products. Okay, so uh, coming to this, to create a pivot table, first we have to go to this insert option, and then we have to click this pivot table, and then here we have to select the location of it. So here I am selecting this new worksheet and then clicking OK. So here it got like we have to select the fields that we have to insert in the pivot table, right? So here we have got a fields like date, product, quantity, discount, and also total. So now here I want to see the revenue for each country. So I'll be selecting this country in the rows, and then I'll be putting this revenue field in the values. So now you can see the revenue that is generated by each country here. Okay, so and also by using this pivot table we can make charts very easy. So here by inserting this for inserting chart we have to go to this insert option, and then we have to click this. Here I am going to click on the bar chart, that is column chart. Okay, so here you can see the column chart is uh, done. It is chart of country and also the revenue generated by the country. So we have also the option called we have to, we can select the subcategory also. Here I'll be using the subcategory as city. You can see here I'll be putting the city in the next to the country. So the graph is changed here, you can see. So here the cities are there. So you can see the cities which are there in Canada, Germany, UK, and USA. And also you can see the revenue that is generated by each city. So you can see the Toronto, that is the revenue generated by it is 1080. And you can see the city of Berlin that is generated 1320, and it belongs to the country Germany. So these are some uses of pivot table. So here I'm deselecting the city. Yeah, and now I'll be showing you a line chart now. Okay, so let me copy it. Yeah, so here I'll be deselecting the country, and then I'll be selecting this date column. So you know, right, we have to use this date column. i mean we have to use this line chart when the data is included by the date or time. We will be using this line chart, right? So for inserting line chart we have to go to this insert option, and then we have to click the line chart over here. Okay, the line chart is came now. Right, so you can see the day by day revenue that is generated here. And now I'll be telling you one more thing, that is I want to show you the slicer also for it. That is, yeah, for inserting slicer we have to go to this insert option again, and then we have to click slicer. So here it is asking for which field you want to insert the slicer. So I'll be selecting here the product field. So uh, this is the product category. Okay, so I'll be putting the slicer here. So if you want to see the revenue of only product A, for each country, I mean for each date, you can simply select that product A over here. So you can see the change in line chart, right? You can uh, see the change in line chart. And also by and here I'll be making the connection, that is I'll be connecting these two charts now, that is line chart and also bar chart, by making some filters. So here once you double click it, I mean I have already selected the settings. So once you double click it, here it will show like show settings. We have to go into it, and and then and then at last, here here we have pivot table connections. So here we have to select this pivot table 4, that is bar chart, right? So after selecting that, you can see if we selecting like product B here, there is change in line chart and bar chart. You can see, right? You can see there is change in bar chart and line chart. So this is all about slicer users and pivot table users. And thank you.